Hi guys, this is basically the part 2. I ended up returning one of the monitors. It was just too much for one little desk, and I think the monitor is big enough for good use. I was told 2's better for streaming, but might as well just use what I got and save some money. So I returned it. I even returned both of those little connecting plug things I got. Yeah, the monitor did come with them. Got it right here. I was gonna do this video a little earlier, but after I picked up the PC at Best Buy, I went straight to my sister's house. And so now that I'm home, I'm finally gonna be able to do the video, and you guys are gonna see how big this freaking box is. It's like ridiculous. Look how big this thing is. Have you seen it? All right, here we go. No way. Free gift. Okay, first things first, when I bought this, it didn't say it came with the keyboard and mouse, so I legit bought a keyboard and mouse because I thought it wouldn't come with one. I got a cheap one either way, just in case, but cool! No way! It's an avocado! Thanks! Ah! It's actually really nice. Sorry, I'll open that like the right way in a bit. Then it says free gift. What is this? Follow the instructions, get one of your free gifts. What instructions? What are these? Flippers? Power? Is this a fan? I'm still learning this. It looks like a fan, like a flipper. Okay, well, we'll put this together. Remove protective foam. See, I would have messed up and left it there thinking it's a blanket. Thank you for purchasing an iBUYPOWER PC. Customer service hours, technical support, personalized, frequently asked, why is my screen blank? Cool. Okay. Oh, ASMR. I never know how to unbox things. Am I doing this wrong? It's glorious. It's so pretty. I don't want to break it. Hold up. Don't get hurt, baby. Wow. Hey, this is pretty cool. Wait. I gotta move everything first. I'll just put that right there. Just to scoop it. Cool. Real quick, I don't want no one thinking I don't read directions. I didn't have time to record myself. I was holding glass. I removed the phone packaging, and now I'm just making sure there's no loose connections. It says it here. Actually read the warnings and the important things I have to do. I pay attention to that, okay? It looks so cool. iBUYPOWER. Nice. Okay guys, I plugged everything in. I have the on button here. I connected it to my monitor. And now it's time to test it out. It's beautiful! Look. I'm way too hyped over like colors and stuff. Oh! I forgot I don't have my keyboard. We'll do the open the keyboard.
You guys don't know how excited I am. This thing glows. Got a whole keyboard thingy because I really thought this didn't come with one. It didn't say it did because there were some that did say it did and this one didn't. So if this thing glows, I'm gonna cry. It already looks like it glows and I'm literally... Look how pretty! So, give me a second, guys. I gotta read all of this, okay? Yeah, right.
I am so happy right now. Like, it's not even funny.
What you got there? Let me see it.
Oh, Baymax brought us Baymax. Here you go.